Welcome to our channel. If you accidentally deleted photos from your Android device and want to recover them, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore your images from the trash or backup. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the library icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Trash or Bin to view recently deleted photos and videos. Step 4. Browse through the deleted items and select the photos you want to restore. Step 5. Tap Restore to move the selected photos back to your main library. Step 6. If the photos are not in the trash, check if you have a backup enabled in Google Photos by going to Settings and selecting Backup and Sync. Step 7. If backup is enabled, your photos may be stored in the cloud. Go to the main Google Photos library and look for the restored images. Step 8. If you do not use Google Photos, check your device's gallery app for a trash or recycle bin feature, or use a third-party recovery app to scan for deleted files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.